All right, guys. So great video today. I'm gonna give you guys some tips and tricks on day trading and how to kind of use your account and look at the charts that you're looking at and how to manipulate intraday levels and what we did today. And if a trade goes wrong, the mindset to have behind it. So a lot of it's mindset. All right. But without further ado, it's your boy Mike Lowy. Let's get you started.
All right, so today, January 14th, obviously you can see we had a huge downfall right here. This morning in the chat, I did mess up a little bit. This fair value gap was clear as day to reject to go down, this being stop loss right here. And I didn't listen to myself because I had my own mentality that this is bullish. So, I wanted it to go up so bad that I didn't believe it could go down, which is where you can lose money in the market, right? You have to be able to switch your mindset to, okay, it just made a leg down. We know we're going down. We just broke pre-market lows. We're going to retest them. We're going to go down. It was a simple setup. We're under 21, under the VWAP, under the 200, which is the 50 on the 5. But yeah, so that was my mistake. We signaled the entries here, came up, should have sold, and then huge leg down. So then we were like, all right, maybe we stopped out below here. So then after that, we came back in the afternoon. It was 10 o'clock. So that happened at 10 o'clock. I was like, dang. Uh, I did say, um, go light on there. But yeah, it was definitely a tough day, right? Then we finally got this little choppiness area here. So I added calls here, here, and here. And then for SPY, so this is NVIDIA, and then for SPY, I added calls here. Oh, sorry. I added calls here and there. So these two places, right? Which ended up paying off. So I was down 900, and then I made back about 1400. So if you ever mess up, that's why I never full port your account. Like, just do half position size and then wait for your setups. If a trade goes wrong, don't give up on it for the day, okay? Like, both of these trades really went wrong. SPY, I didn't really look at till later. But, yeah, so, like, with that being said, you can easily see that, hey, this happened, and now it's like, let me wait for the recovery, and then NVIDIA was choppy. That was a small move on NVIDIA, still made a couple hundred from it, but this was the huge move that saved me today. I trimmed at the 200, and then I fully sold at this chop, which good thing I did. And then, yeah, so we'll see. So tomorrow is going to be a big day. Tomorrow we have CPI. So a lot of these charts are looking. They have a specific setup to them that has to do with the head and shoulders, but inverted. If you actually, take a look besides in the video, look at SPY. So this could very well be, this could be your neckline right here, and then that's your shoulders. You got shoulder, head, shoulder, up. So yeah, potentially maybe up to 594 tomorrow, depending on how the CPI comes in. CPI could come in and it could just tank it straight down to here. So we have liquidity on both sides. So that's just another thing. Stocks is playing it by ear. You can't predict the market. If you try to predict the market, then you're gonna lose. You have to react to the market, and that's one thing that got me a lot, right? So make sure to always just react to it, right? Don't get FOMO. Like, wait for your confirmation. Wait for a break of trend, right? Like where clear downtrend. Let's wait till that breaks. Okay, cool. Let's enter on the little pullback we got here. I mean, you could even enter at the breakout candle, but wait for the pullback to be safe, whatever, and then ride it up until that breaks, really. But that was straight. That was crazy. So yeah, so there's, like I said, there's a lot of different ways to look at what you can do with the market. What else we got? Apple. What's Apple doing? I'm swinging Apple. I still like it. It's got to do something here, but I like that. Yeah, we're gonna have to do something. But it would be cool to get it up to, at least here. 240. So, yeah, Tesla. We could look at Tesla a little bit. Tesla was actually a great trade today too. That we didn't call it. Or we did call it out actually. We caught that too. This was another break, right? Had that downtrend. Boom, broke. It was a little. I mean, this wasn't the most beautiful downtrend, right? I would say more of this, our zone is what got us, right? Like all this right here is just dying volume. So like you see these candles, that's a lot of volume. Like that's a strong downtrend. And then you start getting choppy, right? When you start getting choppy, let's look for reversals, right? Which we never really got big candles to go back up. So like typically for me, yes, I'll trim along the way. I'll trim at the break up here, I'll trim here, and then I'll take full TP. For the most part, maybe leave one runner at VWAP to see what it does. But these are all these were all trades today that we were doing, and now I'm gonna chart for tomorrow. And again, any questions? Like I'll start giving some little freebies here and there. Pay attention to your order blocks, pay attention to your fair value gaps, pay attention to your trends, and then intraday. Intraday is always the hardest. Like you could have also played it like this today. You saw the market open, we opened above. We broke pre-market highs. Then you wait for your confirmation for that retest. But guess what? You get that little retest, right? But you didn't wait. Comes up, boom, tanks through. Now we have this whole on the way down. It literally created, it got pushed down so hard that it created this little bearish fair value gap, and you could have taken Tesla from 418 all the way to 402.
All right, guys, that's all for today. So if you liked what I had to say, please make sure to go ahead, like, and subscribe on the channel. Again, KSM Trading 25 on Instagram. It's your boy Mike Lowy. We're out.